digital marketing trends in 2024. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the top digital marketing trends in 2024. But before we unravel these trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. So, let's get started. Trend 1: AI marketing. Artificial intelligence isn't just science fiction anymore. It's revolutionizing marketing, automating tasks, and delivering results like never before. It's already being used in a variety of industries, including marketing. In 2024, we can expect to see even more AI-powered marketing tools and platforms emerge. These tools can help you with tasks such as creating personalized content, targeting your ads more effectively, analyzing your marketing data, automating repetitive tasks. Imagine you run an e-commerce store. AI can analyze your customer data to identify trends, predict buying behavior, and even personalize product recommendations for each individual visitor. This can lead to increased sales and happier customers. Like Netflix uses AI to recommend personalized shows and movies based on your viewing habits. If you're not already using AI in your marketing, now is the time to start. Moving on to our next trend, Trend 2: voice search. Typing days are gone, and voice search is booming with the rise of smart speakers and assistants. Optimize your content for natural language and long-tail keywords to ensure your brand is heard loud and clear. To stay ahead, you need to optimize your website for long-tail keywords. People speak in longer phrases than they type, so use keywords that reflect natural language. Answer common questions in your content. Provide clear and concise answers to questions people might ask using voice search. Optimize your website for mobile devices. Most voice searches happen on mobile devices, so make sure your website is mobile-friendly. For example, if you run a local restaurant, optimize your website for keywords like best pizza near me and ensure your website displays your address, phone number, and opening hours prominently. Like Domino's enables voice ordering through smart speakers for a convenient pizza fix. Now, Trend 3: influencer marketing. Ever seen someone on social media recommending a product? That's influencer marketing. It has been around for a few years now, but it's really going to explode in 2024. Consumers are increasingly trusting the recommendations of influencers, so partnering with the right influencers can be a great way to reach new audiences and boost your brand awareness. When choosing influencers to work with, it's important to consider their niche audience, engagement rates, authenticity. Remember to collaborate with micro-influencers in your niche for authentic and targeted reach. Run influencer marketing campaigns on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels for high engagement. Partner with influencers to create user-generated content that builds trust and authenticity. For example, if you're a fitness brand, partnering with a popular fitness influencer on Instagram can expose your brand to a highly engaged audience interested in health and wellness. Trend 4: the focus on user experience. If your website or app is difficult to use, people will quickly click away. Like imagine you're a travel booking website. If users can't easily find the information they need or the booking process is slow and clunky, they'll quickly switch to a competitor. In 2024, we can expect to see a continued focus on creating user-friendly websites and apps that provide a seamless experience for users. Remember, happy users are loyal users. Here are some tips for creating a great user experience. Personalization: use website personalization tools like Chameleon to tailor content and recommendations based on individual user behavior. Seamless customer service: offer efficient and helpful customer service through multiple channels like live chat, email, or social media. Voice search optimization: ensure your website content answers common voice search questions with natural language and long-tail keywords. Mobile-first approach: optimize your website and app for all devices, from desktops to smartphones, to provide a seamless experience across platforms. For example, Apple prioritizes intuitive design and seamless integration across all its devices. Next up, Trend 5: personalization. Consumers are no longer satisfied with generic marketing messages. They want to feel like they're being spoken to directly. In 2024, we can expect to see even more personalization in marketing. This means using data to create targeted content, ads, and offers that are relevant to each individual user. For example, an email marketing campaign for a clothing store could segment its audience by gender, age, and purchase history. Then send targeted emails with personalized product recommendations based on each segment's interests. Tailor your messaging, craft personalized messages that resonate with individual interests and needs, increasing engagement and conversions. Offer targeted content, recommend relevant blog posts, products or services based on user behavior and preferences. Create dynamic ad experiences, show users ads that are relevant to their recent searches or browsing history. For example, Amazon suggests products you might like based on your past purchases and browsing history. Trend 6. Chatbots. Picture this: you have some burning questions at 2 a.m. and a helpful assistant pops up instantly out of nowhere to guide you through. That's the brilliance of businesses using chatbots. In 2024, expect to see more sophisticated chatbots. Powered by AI and natural language processing, these chatbots can handle complex conversations and even understand emotions. Increased chatbot adoption. Businesses across industries will leverage chatbots for customer service, lead generation, and marketing automation. Omnichannel chatbot experiences. Chatbots will seamlessly integrate with websites, messaging apps, and even voice assistants, providing a consistent experience across platforms. For example, an airline chatbot can answer questions about flight status, booking changes, and baggage allowance, reducing pressure on human customer service agents. Trend 7. Short-form video content. Short videos are ruling the internet. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are leading the charge. Brands are catching on because these short videos grab attention better than long ones. It's like telling your brand story in bite-sized pieces. Here's why you should too. You'll get high engagement. Short, catchy videos are more likely to grab attention and keep viewers hooked compared to lengthy content. Storytelling power. Compelling narratives can be packed into these bite-sized videos, showcasing your brand personality and products. Organic reach. Potential short-form video platforms often prioritize organic reach, allowing you to connect with a wider audience without relying solely on paid advertising. And finally, Trend 8. The cookieless future. Have you ever wondered how ads seem to know what you like? It's often because of cookies. It's third-party cookies that track what you do online. But now they're going away. Instead, companies will focus on getting to know you directly through things like sign-ups and loyalty programs. It's all about respecting your privacy and still offering personalized recommendations. This means marketers need to adapt to a privacy-centric future with focus on first-party data, building relationships, and collecting customer data directly through website forms, email signups, and loyalty programs will be crucial. Contextual targeting, leveraging user behavior on your website and other contextual signals to deliver relevant ads and content. Privacy-compliant marketing practices, transparency, and user consent will be paramount in building trust and maintaining data privacy. For example, a travel website might offer personalized recommendations based on a user's search history and past booking behavior without relying on third-party cookies. So there you have it, 8 digital marketing trends that will shape the landscape 2024. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.